Alright guys, trains are out on the loose this morning. The first one of the day. Here comes I038 running early, guys. M492 is sitting down there with the Monon Heritage unit, and we got a southbounder behind us as well. P90 is on the way here soon as well, and I038 here is short. Awesome horn salute. Yellow Freddy. Symbol on that train is the CSX I038 double stack train, a short one. Train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it terminates.